Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the leaf. First, let's select the perfect leaf. Look for one that is fresh, green, and flexible, without any rips or damage. Leaves from oak, maple, or even some fruit trees are excellent choices. Aim for a size of about 3 to 5 inches in length and 2 to 3 inches in width. A healthy leaf is crucial for a clear, resonant sound. Now let's get the leaf into position. Hold the leaf firmly but gently between your two thumbs and forefingers, stretching it slightly to create a flat, smooth surface. Place one of the longer edges of the leaf against your lower lip, just where the red part meets the skin. Your upper lip will then rest lightly on top of the leaf, creating a small, narrow opening for air to pass through. This precise placement is key to making a sound. With the leaf in place, it's time to make some music. Take a deep breath and blow a steady, gentle stream of air across the edge of the leaf, much like you would blow into a brass instrument. Your lips should be relaxed but firm enough to hold the leaf securely. The air pressure will cause the leaf to vibrate, producing a distinct sound. Don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries. Practice makes perfect. Once you can consistently make a sound, you can start exploring different pitches and tones. To change the pitch, subtly adjust the tension in your lips and the speed of your airflow. Tighter lips and a faster airstream generally result in higher notes, while looser lips and slower air produce lower tones. You can also slightly shift the leaf's position on your lips to discover a wider range of unique tonal qualities. Have fun experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.